Victims advocates praise a new law to help put sexual offenders behind bars.
The legislation will greatly increase the state's DNA database, giving victims new hope. Victims of sexual assault will soon have a better chance of making sure their attacker is caught. North Carolina House Bill 674 expands the list of crimes that require a DNA sample if someone is convicted or found not guilty by reason of insanity.
Our state is taking those steps to prevent another backlog, to prevent harm that has been done to victims.
The bill aims to not only help solve crimes, but help prevent future assaults.
And it's very difficult when you think about evidence and the difficulties we've had with collection in the past. So this really is a great opportunity for survivors to have more confidence in the legal system.
Lang is the interim executive director of the Orange County Rape Crisis Center. She says the fact that the new law will likely add thousands of names to the database will boost a victim's confidence in the justice system.
I think the law gives survivors an opportunity to feel more empowered if they decide to pursue the legal justice route instead of feeling like the potential for getting a conviction is so small that it's not something that they would like to go through.
Lauren Schwartz is a director and a sexual assault nurse examiner with Interact of Wake County.
So being able to have their DNA on file to connect to other crimes, to hopefully prevent crimes in the future is just so important for victims.
The law also says that facilities that use sexual assault evidence kits on a patient should not bill the victim, their personal insurance, Medicaid, or Medicare. The expenses should be covered by the state's Rape Victim Assistance Program.
That's very heavy to weigh on someone's mind when they're thinking about other things that they might be pursuing or the trauma that they just went through. Thinking about a bill is ridiculous.
Patients don't have to worry about, confidentiality concerns. They don't have to be afraid of, a parent or relative getting an explanation of benefits from their insurance company. They don't have to worry about, whether or not they're going to face a financial burden in the future because they seek, immediate health care after an assault.
It's a big step for helping these victims, especially with catching an attacker.
No doubt about it, and preventing future attacks, it's huge for that too. And I have to tell you, something that really struck me today that I just never really thought about was that opportunity for someone to see that statement from your insurance company showing this. And a family member may not know, a sibling, a parent, a boyfriend, a roommate who opens your mail. So it really does speak to what, these folks have been going through and the change that'll come.
All right, Russ, thanks.
Absolutely.